Hi, I am Naomi, and I am so happy to have you here today. I want to share something elegant and simple that I really like. These are my black cross-strap heels, and I am pairing them with sheer black pantyhose. The heels have a soft texture and thin straps that cross around the foot in a delicate way. They look elegant and classy. Without being too much, I like how the design makes the feet look slender and graceful. And the color black always feels timeless. The pantyhose are sheer and smooth. They add a soft shine that makes everything look more polished. I always enjoy starting a try-on like this because it feels calm and relaxing, and I get to appreciate every detail before showing them on camera. I think this combination has that classic charm that never fails, and I am really excited to talk more about them soon. These black cross-strap heels feel elegant and balance. The straps stay firm, and the heel gives just enough height to walk comfortably. The design keeps everything simple but stylish. And I like how clean the lines look against the sheer black pantyhose. The fit feels right. And the shoes do not slip or press too much. They keep a nice shape that makes the feet look graceful. I really enjoy how light they feel and how easy it is to move naturally. I think this pair is perfect for moments when I want something classic and easy to wear, nothing extra, just a clean and feminine style. Thank you so much for staying with me. I hope you like this try-on. And if you did, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment to tell me what you think. See you very soon with more heels and more calm moments to share together.